Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have the Stomp and Escape T-Rex unboxed for you. So let's start. So let's take a look at the packaging first. We have the amazing nice looking T-Rex in the box with the capture gear. So let's see the box. We have the Dino Escape logo with Darius and Tora at the back. Cool Cam Cretaceous logo. Shows you the action and what it does. Very nice backdrop. So I will show you the backdrop when we remove the T-Rex. Got the Netflix logo. Same for the side. The other side as well. Let's see. The back of the box is pretty cool. It shows us what it do. It has stomping action. And it has a roar and chomp breakout. So here is E750, also known as Scorpius Rex. We're gonna unbox that pretty soon. So let's unbox this guy out of the box. So let's cut her out. So you must tear the bottom part. So the bottom part has the instructions. We have the thing to remove the legs, so I'm gonna do that. Which way do we turn it? We turn it this side. Okay. See here, hold on, it's stuck. Okay. So here we have the T-Rex out of the box. Pretty cool, eh? Let's see, let's do the leg properly. Okay. Let's put her there first. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the capture gear. Sorry guys, got one out. Now we got a big head one. Here's the head one. Very cool. So here's the box. The backdrop is pretty nice. Got the cage breakout. Cool. So now let's take a look at the dinosaur. So let's start with the T-Rex. So the T-Rex is pretty big. It's very cool. Okay, let's take a look at the face first because it's pretty cool. I love the head sculpt. It's very nice. The eyes are painted very nicely on both sides. So let's see the jaw. That's the noise it makes. So the teeth is like a different piece of a plastic. It's not like molded in with the jaw. So it's pretty, it's like rubber, soft rubber. It's very nice. Very nice time. So there's a button here that you press that will make the noise. So let's hear it. Very nice. Okay, so when we twist the tail, it has a stomping action. So let's try. Hold on. So you just have to twist the tail left and right. And the legs like go up and down. Pretty cool. The bottom is like light brownish. Very nice. See the jaw, the hand, they painted the nails, which is very nice. You can articulate up and down. Same for the other side. Now the top part has this very nice, like I would say black or brownish color pattern to it, which is very nice. So yeah, let's take a look at the bottom. We got the normal T-Rex logo there. And here's the scan code. If you guys at home want to scan, you can pause it and scan in your Jurassic Facts app. Yeah, so let's see how the T-Rex functions with the muzzle. So this is the muzzle piece. It's like it will break into three parts. So it's three parts. We've got the top one, the bottom one, and the back one, I guess. Let's see, how does this work? Okay. So you clip that in here. So there's a piece that you just hook it in, I guess. Right, okay. So you just put it on the rack like that, I believe so. Then you get onto that. Wow, very easy. Kids can do it. It's very nice. So let's try breaking out the T-Rex already. Wow, that is very fun. Let's do it again, guys. This is very fun. So it breaks. So when you press the button, it will break the T-Rex free from the capture gear. So let's try it again. Let's see, am I doing it wrong? Sorry, guys. Okay. And again. That is so cool, guys. So you can just easily fix it back with just like that. The muzzle and the neck piece. And just hook it back up to the T-Rex. So guys, if you enjoyed the video today, leave a like and subscribe. Stay safe and stay collecting. Bye!